let's take a look at the basic navigation features of OMG Brush. So, first of all, we have zoom. For zoom, you use 2 fingers and just pinch and zoom. You can zoom out and zoom in. It's almost infinite zoom, but not quite. Then, for pan, you also use 2 fingers, but you basically move it to the sides, or up and down. And then for orbit, you use 1 finger. So again, it's 2 finger for pan, pinch for zoom, and 1 finger for orbiting. And with the pen, it's always drawing. So remember, your fingers are used for navigation, your pen is used for drawing.